Hello world, good morning, and welcome back to the One Idea segment of our Founders and Innovators morning show. Today's idea is mastery over metrics. Now, I imagine you may be familiar with the idea from Kevin Kelly from almost a decade ago now, the idea of finding 1,000 true fans. Kelly's purpose was to explore the idea of what it actually takes to create a successful business in the digital age, the idea of scale, and that we don't need millions of fans, but if you're looking to make a 6K income, you only need 1,000 fans that are willing to pay you $100 each year to hit that $100,000 mark. But the truth is that over the past almost 10 years or so, the online world has obviously changed. In one sense, it's easier to get your work and your message out there with all of the different platforms and tools and technologies we have. But on the other hand, it's harder to actually reach people because there's so much out there and people's attention is limited. So there's this question of how do you reach your 1,000 fans? And today's idea is inspired by Srini Rao, who has this idea of mastery over metrics. His point is that rather than following the metrics, trying to get millions, thousands of likes, tweets, that little fraction of tiny interest that would come from a lot of people, to instead focus your efforts on mastery and reaching a few people with good quality work. That if you focus on mastery and produce this quality work, that you will find an audience of people who love what it is that you produce, and that love can then turn into a wider audience. But to start by focusing on the few. Of course, I think there is a really good question here of what does mastery actually entail? I imagine it's probably different. There's different ways of measuring mastery for all sorts of different fields. So I'm curious what you think about this idea of mastery over metrics in order to reach your 1,000 fans, and what is it that you think you have to master in your field to really produce that high quality work. I'm looking forward to hearing what you think, and I will see you all next time. Bye for now. Thanks for joining us today. Please don't forget to subscribe, review, and share this show. If you'd like exclusive content and behind-the-scenes insight, for just $4 a month, you can support us at buymeacoffee.com. Now, go make it a great day.